in there. Oh.
Oh, you have to take that out. Wow, Joshua.
Oh no.
That's perfect.
Duck.
You want some help?
Maybe take it.
Look at what you got, Johnny Tractor. I don't know who this is. His friend.
Do you like those?
Where'd you find these at? These are perfect for him.
Target. Did you notice we matched the book?
Yeah, the little Johnny Tractor.
You got some toys?